these basically hubcaps to go back onto a Ford Focus 2006, and the directions seem pretty straightforward. I've already popped one on there. You have to put the wire on there to make it seal on the rim. So let me take this out. So I've already put it on there. Where the valve stem is, it just faces downwards. So I'm going to pop it on there and let's see how this looks. Alright, I painted my wheels. Probably painted them a little too quick, but got them painted and popped them on there. You just pop them on with all 4 fingers and you're ready to go.